Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that Husqvarna L 65 chainsaw, made in 1974, 65 cc's, that's 4 cubic inch. Weight on this power head is 17 pounds. Capable of running up to a 32-inch bar and chain. This one features a 24-inch sprocket nose. That's a Oregon sprocket nose bar with a 3/8 pitch chain. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is on the left. Right here, easy to get at. Choke is over here. Has a throttle lock down right there to make it easier starting. You just squeeze the trigger and push that lever down, and that locks the throttle so you can start this saw. There's a foot pad right here for making it a little easier start on the ground. Put your foot in there. It's got the real convenient side load reservoirs, the fuel on top and the oil reservoir on the lower part here. Very large quiet tone muffler. And to adjust the tension, you just loosen the two nuts up here, and right on the inside, right here, is the tensioner. Just a good running saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.